Welcome back everyone. My name is Sudeep Mansali. In the previous video we created the homepage form header. Today we will create this sidebar using drawer. In the form header you change this font family. Here open the header.css file. Within this info style you add this font family and save it and open in the browser. Now the font family is changed. Now open the code editor and create one folder called components and place all your files within the component folder. App.js file, you change the path here, components, and save it. And in header.js you add one more dot here to get the image source. One more file, create one more module in the component called new file drawer. Wait, temporary drawer .js. This is the functional component temporary drawer. There you remove this thing and add temporary drawer, and also import from here import a temporary drawer from temporary drawer file. Now copy the menu icon and icon button from header.js. Paste here. Import the drawer component from material UI. Now create the state object with the property left, that is create having the boolean value whether it is false or true. With a property left and have the value false. This helps to open or close the sidebar. You define the function toggle drawer that takes the parameter anchor with a string value left and the open as the boolean value either true or false. This helps in maintaining the state of the drawer whether it is opened or closed. This drawer component has one more property called onClose that takes the function as a parameter. We will pass the toggle drawer here with passing the function with the parameters left, and the second value is set to false. That means it will close the sidebar. And for menu icon button you add on click. Whenever the user clicks on this menu icon the drawer will be opened, means it will be the state will be set to true. Add one more property anchor, that is with left. Now you place all these contents drawer and the icon button within the react fragment tag. This helps in sending the multiple items, means it will help in grouping the list of children without creating the extra node. Now to add the contents into the sidebar you import a list and the list item from material UI. within the drawer, list list item, mm, and write the text like sidebar. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Here you can see the sidebar. Now, to add a multiple elements into the sidebar, like this docs, sheets, and slides, you create a function called list that would return the multiple list items there. Here, like a const list that takes the parameter anchor. Here, you add div element and the list capital L. Within that list item, and sidebar, and save the file. Now remove this and call list with left as a parameter, and now save it and open the browser. Look at here, the list sidebar is added to the drawer. Now in the same way, you just add the multiple list items. Stored my images here. We will import all these images into the drawer.js file. Now let's add this text Google and the docs. Go to the this file and remove this sidebar and set the style with the width 250px and the role equals presentation. Now we will import this list item text, and within this list item text the font size will be set to 48px and the left side margin is 5px, and we use the span tag here. For G, the text color will be blue, O red, yellow, blue, green, red, and open. Here you can see Google and docs. To get this divider line, we will import it from the material UI. Divider, and place this divider here. Close the tag, and you add this below list and here. Close the tag. Now I have added docs, sheets, slides, and forms. Within the list item, the first image tag holds the source image address, and it is styled for 20 pixels height and width, and one more division element that holds the docs text. Instead of using this same style for different contents many times, we will use the class name here. Using the make styles, we will copy here and go to use styles, and here I will place list item property. Within the floor braces, you put all those styles, and within the temporary drawer function, create const classes equal use styles, and you just remove these styles, and class name equals classes dot list item. Now save the file, and my code is running successfully. There is no error. And for the slide images, we will go to this thing, and here slide images, height 20 pixel, width 20 pixel, and place slide images. Copy this class name and paste in every list item. Now save it and open the browser. Here you can see the docs, sheets, slides and forms. Look at here. If I hover on these elements, docs, sheets, the background is changing to dark color. We will do that. Open the drawer.css file now. Drawer.css. Class name element with a class name list underscore item with a margin right 10px, and whenever we hover on that item, the background color will be changed to ash f4 f4 f9, and the border radius top left is 0 and the top right is 20px, and top bottom right is 20px, and for the bottom left it is kept to 0, and the color will be set to black. And import this drawer.css file into this here. Import drawer.css. Save this and open the browser. Now if you hover the doc item, the background color is changing and the text color is changed to black. Look at here, there is one more divider below this. There is settings and help and feedback list item. We will add it. To import React icons, npm install React icons. Hit enter. React icons is installed successfully. We will import the fi settings and the bs quotient circle. Here you write fi settings close the tag, and here div settings, copy that same element, instead of F5 settings you add question circle. Now save this and open in the browser. Here you can see settings and help and feedback. Now we will change this font styles. We here in the list we will set the margin left as 8px, right with 8px, and the top with 15px. For the FI settings, the margin left will be 20px and the font size is 14px. And for the help and feedback, we will change the text color to gray and the font weight to 500px. Save the file. Now I have added the last list item and save the file. Now I refresh this page and now you can see the drive item. This completes the component sidebar. So I hope you will be watching this series. Let me know in the comment section and do like the button if you are enjoying it.